Plant FAQs, Colocasia black coral. The enchanting allure of Colocasia black coral. The botanical world holds a treasure trove of captivating plants, each boasting unique characteristics and visual splendor. Among these captivating specimens, the Colocasia black coral has stolen a significant portion of my heart. Its mesmerizing, almost black foliage and statuesque presence make it a standout in any garden. But beyond its beauty lies a surprising amount of versatility and ease of care. For those new to the world of Colocasia, a few questions might be swirling around. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. The simple answer is yes. Colocasia black coral is indeed a variety of taro. Taro, with the scientific name Colocasia esculenta, is a tuberous perennial known for its edible corms, underground stems, used in various cuisines, particularly across Asia and the Pacific Islands. While the black coral variety isn't typically grown for consumption due to its slightly bitter leaves, it shares the same genus and boasts similar stunning foliage. Unveiling the black beauty. The true magic of Colocasia black coral lies in its leaves. Unlike its green cousins, this variety unfolds dramatically large, heart-shaped leaves in a mesmerizing shade of near black. The glossy surface shimmers in the sunlight, creating a captivating contrast with lighter-colored plants. The leaves droop gracefully from long, sturdy stalks, adding a touch of elegance and drama to any garden bed or container. Beyond the visual, a surprisingly easy care plant. Despite its exotic appearance, Colocasia black coral is surprisingly low maintenance. Here's what you need to know to cultivate this stunning plant. Light. Black coral thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the delicate leaves. Filtered light or dappled shade is ideal. Water. This is a thirsty plant. Consistent moisture is key. Aim for evenly moist soil, allowing the top inch to dry slightly before watering again. Soil. Rich, well-draining soil is crucial. Amending your existing soil with compost or organic matter will ensure proper drainage and provide the necessary nutrients. Temperature. As a frost-tender perennial, Colocasia black coral prefers warm temperatures. Ideally, keep it above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. If you live in colder climates, consider container planting so you can bring it indoors during the winter. Unleashing the propagator within, multiplying your black coral. The beauty of Colocasia black coral is something you'll want to share. Luckily, propagation is a breeze. Here are two simple methods. Division. During dormancy, typically winter for colder climates, gently dig up the main plant and carefully separate the tubers, corms. Each tuber can be planted in its own pot to create a new black coral. Corm offsets. Over time, your black coral may develop smaller corms, offsets, around the main tuber. These can be separated and planted individually during repotting to create new plants. What to plant with Colocasia black coral? The dramatic foliage of Colocasia black coral makes it a perfect focal point. But don't be afraid to experiment with companion plants. Here are some ideas. Chartreuse accents. For a vibrant contrast, consider planting lime green foliage plants like ferns or hostas near your black coral. Playful textures. Add a touch of whimsy with ornamental grasses like calamagrostis or miscanthus. Their feathery plumes create a delightful textural contrast. Blooming beauties. To introduce a pop of color, pair your black coral with flowering perennials like daylilies or coneflowers. Their vibrant hues will complement the dark foliage beautifully. Colocasia black coral versus black magic. Both black coral and black magic are stunning colocasias with deep, dramatic foliage, but they bring different vibes to the garden. Black coral's leaves are a glossy, almost lacquered black, making it feel sleek and sophisticated. It reminds me of a modern art sculpture in my garden bed. Colocasia black magic, on the other hand, has a softer, velvety black with a hint of burgundy peeking through. It feels more organic and mysterious, like a hidden gem in the jungle. For a bold, contemporary look, I'd definitely go with black coral. But if you're aiming for a touch of intrigue and wildness, black magic steals the show. Colocasia black coral versus black ripple. Black coral and black ripple are both black colocasias, but their leaf shapes set them apart. Black coral has broad, heart-shaped leaves, creating a lush, full feel. It's like a luxurious velvet cushion in the garden. Colocasia Black Ripple, however, has deeply ruffled edges that dance in the breeze. It adds a playful, whimsical touch, almost like black lace. Black Coral makes a bold statement, while Black Ripple brings a touch of movement and drama. I love Black Coral for its classic elegance, but Black Ripple adds a touch of the unexpected that I find really captivating. A final enchantment, the Black Coral's allure. The Colocasia Black Coral is more than just a plant. It's a conversation starter. Its captivating beauty and surprising ease of care make it a perfect addition to any garden, adding a touch of drama and elegance. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance showstopper, look no further than the Black Coral. It might just become your new favorite botanical companion.